AI is rapidly and unpredictably changing the very fabric of our society. And it has enormous potential for good, but there are also risks that need to be mitigated. And one of the projects that we've done within this is to form what we're calling the Oxford Oath. It could become an oath that AI practitioners and users profess and commit themselves to that embodies theologically motivated ideas that are intended for the good of the whole world, including the secular world.
Well, oath is a kind of performance. It's saying something about your commitment in public to a certain set of standards or ways of thinking, ways of reasoning about AI. And we think that's really important to come alongside codes of ethics and other forms or ways of disciplining our reasoning and the development of this field. An oath makes it personal. It commits you to a better future.
We have built a network of people from around the world and across different areas of industry and the academy. We've also attended to the majority world, which is often deeply affected by decisions made in the West, but where there hasn't been a voice. In bringing these people together, we have an optimistic vision about the good that can come from AI, and we also have a longer-term pathway about the kinds of interactions between theology and the science of artificial intelligence can bring about in terms of new areas of research, new areas of public policy, and actually new areas of science.
The wider world tends to assume that science and religion don't have much to say to each other, perhaps they're in conflict, but those of us who work in the area have a different take on it, and we can see many ways in which they both have lots to say to each other. There's a great deal of responsibility upon us. We need to think about integrity, our security, the dignity of all of our other human beings and creatures. Theology has an awful lot to say about all of those things and has done for thousands of years.
What we're hoping is that this work can carry on and be extended, that we can not only disseminate the oath and deepen our understanding of the ethics of AI, but that we can start to develop new streams of work in theological research, in contributions into scientific research that are theologically motivated, and into the interdisciplinary work of bridging the gap between the humanities and the sciences.
The oath will work in the real world because it's been written, it's been designed, it's been road tested with those working in all sorts of practical settings, as private settings, public, corporate, academic settings where AI is in use. And we really think that that process of refining it, of thinking it through, means it will connect with the concerns, the aspirations, and the caution which some people have about work in this field.
Oxford has always been a place that has had convening power. We've been able to draw people together from all over the world to this place and to meet here in this historic location. Oxford is a place that has a great history of interdisciplinary work. It's also a place that has always had a strong connection between theology and the sciences. So we're deeply optimistic about this process of developing this work, and we hope that you will find a way to join in with us in enabling it and making it possible.